Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Wednesday, October 18th. Time is around 6:15 GMT and we will have a look at S&P 500 futures on the Wanda platform. So not much has changed in the S&P 500. As expected, we have a corrective price action and so yeah, I also updated my chart accordingly. Like I already told you yesterday, here the scenario with where we had our wave 4 and then a wave 5 down became quite unlikely. I took it off, and yeah, now I also believe that our wave 4 was not finished right here, but that we will see another leg down, so that this corrective structure right here as a WXY is just part as of a bigger corrective move, um, like of a bigger WXY structure. And so this WXY in red is just the W leg in green. So I do not longer think that the wave 4 low is in right here, but I think we will make an additional low after we finished this wave X right here. So this wave X area is the area that we can find by taking the length of the wave W, and then the wave X is supposed to go into the area between the zero 0.5 and the 0.854 fib retracement. And so now I think we are on our way to this area to finish this wave X. So I would expect more upside, but then eventually at some point from here we start to return again and we take out this low. So if we now go to the lower time frame here in the 1 hour, so this here was our low where we start. This is the wave X area. So far I believe we have done a wave W. So I believe this wave X is again unfolding as a WXY pattern. And so I think so far we have done a wave W here as an A, B, C. We came down here, nice three-wave structure as a wave X, 1, 2, 3. And so now I believe we have our wave A right here. I think this is already a corrective structure. And now what, or like one part of the corrective structure, I mean a wave A. And now we should have some downside as a wave B, I believe, and then a wave C that follows. And once we have the wave C, it is enough actually to take out this high. I expect that we will go a bit higher, but yeah, it is enough to take out this high in order to have our wave Y. So if we project the target area, so we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, and then here the area between the 1 and the 1.618 fib extension is our target area. But yeah, the 1.618 fib extension goes beyond our high right here, so that would not be possible. Of course it is possible, but then we are in another scenario. In this scenario it would not be possible, so therefore I prefer to put the target area right here between the 1 and the 1.236 fib extension, which also nicely coincides with the wave X area. However, it's not assured that we will go there. Like I told you, it can be enough just to take out this this high here. This is the minimum condition. So then main expectation the next hours, but please remember we are moving corrective, so there are a lot of variants possible, but main expectation would be that, so from here we have a wave A finished, and then that we are doing here this wave B, So wave A is finished right here, and then if we take the length of the wave A, here the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement is the area where we expect the wave B to go. So we could have like pull back into this area and then move up again as a wave C. That would be my primary expectation. As you can see, I also still have here the scenario in red where our wave 4 low was in right here. Then we have like a wave 1, a wave 2, 3, 4. Then we should be working on the fifth wave now. But to be honest, I do not really believe anymore in this scenario. I think we are moving corrective here and not as an impulse. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.